We got Wamääth again the Chakpol. Today let us learn different way of calling a brother in Dinka language. So the first one is like Wamääth. Wamääth in Dinka is my brother. My brother. Wamääth. Then Wamääth. 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 Wamääth mean your brother. Your brother. Then Wamääth. Wamääth. Wamääth mean is or her brother. Is or her brother. Is Wamääth. Then Wamääth. Wamääth. You can say Wamääth or Wamääth. Wamääth mean my brothers. My brothers. This is plural. Wamääth. 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 Wamääth mean your brothers. Your brothers. Your brothers mean Wamääth. Wamääth. Wamääth mean is or her brothers. Is or her brothers. That's Wamääth. 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 Wamääth mean our brother. Our brother is Wamääth, our brother. Wamääth. Wamääth mean our brothers. Our brothers. So these are different way of calling a brother in Dinka language. So let me make short recap so that you guys can understand well. First, Wamääth. Wamääth, my brother. Wamääth, your brother. Wamääth is or her brother. Wamääth mean my brothers. This is plural. Wamääth your brothers, plural. Wamääth is her brothers, plural also. Wamääth our brother. Wamääth mean our brother. Wamääth mean our brothers. So this is the end. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and be part of Dinka Learning Family. We got a late, Dornali Kewek, Kayan, William, Majak, Malek Deng. Bye.